Righto, guys. Here we go. It's the weekend, and we're gonna have a little look at Bitcoin straight up. And first of all, just do a shameless plug for our website and our Discord group. So the website is thecontrolroom.xyz. It will take you to our Discord channel from there, and you can participate in live Zooms and learn our setups. So our setups are structural based, and we trade as a community together in the control room. So without further ado, let's go. Oh, we're looking at injective there for a minute. All right, so Bitcoin, look at this. She's squeezed. She's not going anywhere today, right now. So what we can see, high time frame, 4 hour. You can see we're in an uptrend. So we've broken structure to the upside. We had a pullback yesterday, and overnight we've had a little bit of kick up. So we've moved up into the middle of the range, so to speak. So we're trading within this range. Some could say we're actually trading within this range. But what we do know is that we are in, oops, wrong one. We are in an uptrend. No. So anything's possible. It's the weekend. Let's hope that we can control our risk, protect our capital, and take the trades when we see them. So what we're doing today is looking for trades, but we also trade with reduced risk on the weekends. We're looking at maybe doing this as a permanent time slot or a permanent thing. Maybe do once a week, whether it be weekends or whether it be weekdays. I don't want to do weekdays because in the weekdays I give all my time to the community. I do that on the weekends as well, but I understand a lot of your work and there's different time zones, all sorts of stuff. Everyone trades different times of the day, but I rather give my weekdays 100% to the community. So the community is in Discord and we can trade live in Zoom all the time. None of this YouTube. Let's trade on YouTube. You're just a number in the comments. So we like to trade together as a group, and anyone can share their screen. Anyone can talk through a trade. Anyone can ask questions. We just work together. Classic example of that was only just 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago. I woke up and I come into the Zoom room, and there were five members in there already trading on a Saturday morning. I've missed the boat, but you know what? They're all in there helping each other, remain patient, remain disciplined, protecting their capital, talking through strategy, talking through entries, talking through stop losses, talking through TPs, helping each other trade better. And that's what it is. It's a community. It's not a call group. It's not a When Lambo group. It's not a When Entry group. It's not a financial advice group. It's about trading together, protecting our capital, and passing prop firm challenges. That's what we like to do. We don't just do prop firm challenges, so don't think I'm saying that. But we do trade a lot of prop firm challenges. Trade with someone else's money. That's way better. It's good fun. All right, so we're going to just go through a few charts and see what's going on. Right now, Bitcoin's just holding this little bit here. You can see it's been squeezed in 1 hour. It's in this tight little range here. It looks like it's going back to where weekends just go sideways. But this is good. This is good. It's squeezed right in here. We're not sure if we're going up. We're not sure if we're going down. This could do this all weekend, and it's going to be one of those weekends. It could. So we don't trade until we know which way we're going. But that's part of the strategy. That's what you've got to come into the group for to find out. Right now, we're just trading together. Now, the other thing is community members can actually be on the live stream in the Zoom while I'm streaming, not just sitting on YouTube watching, hoping to get it noticed in the chat. Although our chat's not really that active. There's no one in here yet. We'll probably end up getting more in our Zoom.
I'm,
We will on YouTube.
I'm in here.
Yeah, you're in the Zoom.
Yeah.
You're in the Zoom. So just
Yeah.
we'll see.
This is Jay Robin Hood. Check out the SRP trying to pull up.
Yep, it's nice. Nice transition going on there. We've got a higher high, higher low, making a higher low now. Want to see a breakout or want to see a breakout to the upside soon. But right now, still got to get a little bit more liquidity below. So there's not much going on yet. It would look something like this though. Meh, don't like that. But it would look something like that. TP1. These position tools, I use them for TP1. If I've got greater than a 3-to-1, I can take the trade. If I don't have more than 3-to-1, I can't take the trade. Could it extend to there? Yeah, anything's possible. It's a weekend, but that's my TP. Oh, TP1 probably should be there, and that's just on 3. That's TP1 right there. Not because it's 3, but I've got that here for the liquidity. It's where liquidity's sitting. That's what we do in the control room. We trade liquidity. We trade with the market makers, not against them.
Not against them.
That's right. So let's have a look at
You
ETH.
thinking to say that?
ETH is in the same boat here. I like ETH a lot. I like ETH right now, to be honest.
Yeah.
Just got to get follow through, mate. Without follow through, it's pointless. Buyers need to step in, and it's a weekend. So look at the volume. Volume's just dead. A little bit of bull pressure going on. This indicator is the key. It's a free indicator when you join as a scout in our Discord channel, the control room. Another cheap plug while I got you. Controlroom.xyz. That's where we go. All right. That's where we learn patience, trust, we form community, and that's your front door access. So go and check out the website anyway. Won't give you our strategy, but it'll certainly give you a way to access us. We're just waiting for a breakout.
Well,
We're just discussing this trade a minute ago. So we've got nice transition happening. We've got a high high and high low, high high. Looking for a high low. Bit of luck we get an add-on. Love an add-on. So the trades we've got, what is this? AVAX. Where's my entry? I don't think it's that flash actually. Yeah, it's not that great. It's all right. 644. 644 point. 644 even. There. That's my entry. So I've taken profit. Took a TP1 here. TP2 here. Could have added there, but what was I doing? I was doing an exam. So it's made a higher high. That's good. So I want to see it come back and make a higher low. And then I might add to it. For those of you, probably the replay crew will probably miss out, but BitFunded has got 50% off its challenges. First 1,000 accounts only. I'm not sure how many they're through. Doesn't say. Should have said that, but if you're not sure how to do that, come and join our group. We've got a BitFunded link that you can use. We've got a Tradeify link if you prefer to use Tradeify.
And if you join the group, you still got a chance to get that 10K count.
Yeah, we'll talk about that later, JR. I don't think YouTube allows giveaways, mate.
Oh, they don't? Well,
I
you
don't know.
did it yesterday.
Don't know.
Oh, okay.
So we've got to find out a little bit more about that. But yeah, you can there's more about that in the community, in the Discord group, in the general chat. But yeah, you can trade with our links. Our links should be down below to the Discord and the website. But if you want to buy a BitFunded challenge, you can use our links within the Discord group and support the channel. That would be awesome. We also have, what do we got? BitFunded, sorry, Blowfin and BTCC are the ones we trust and like to use. But yeah, the website is this one here. So if you want to come and join us, just click on enter the room. It'll give you two options. So you can take the on deck access, just general Discord access, basic market updates, and 7 days free Zoom access. So you can come and trade with us live for 7 days, test out what we do. All right. So you just click start on deck now, it'll take you to the Discord group. Or if you want full access, you get the 9 structured modules that for our system. You get the indicators that go with the system. You get the one-on-one Zoom. You don't have to book it. Just show up anytime you like. Whatever time suits you, I can be available. Prop challenge support and accountability. So with the BitFunded challenges and the Tradeify challenges, the prop firm challenges, whatever prop firm you want to use, we'll help you pass those challenges. So if you move down here, these are our partners here. So these are the links. You can use our links. Any of them work. They're going to take you straight to the place with our special link. We've got a code for Tradeify crypto. So we need to get that out to everybody. And the code is, if you're watching, TCR. Enter that code in and you'll get their discounts. Now, what else have we got on here? You've obviously seen our YouTube, but there's our Twitter. Got all these links here. There's a TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. We're in all of that at the moment. So we've just kicked off all those things. Any support for those would be fantastic. Anyway, that's the website where you can join our Discord. Just click enter the room. Choose which access you want. just take the general access for now if you want, and come and trade with us live in Zoom. There's our homepage. We'll go back to the charts. Cool. All right. So AVAX is behaving like I want it to, which is good. If anyone wants me to look at anything particular, JR, you wanted me to look at XRP, see what's going on? I'm pretty keen on watching this Bitcoin.
It need to come down some more, but yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting to see what XRP is doing. It's building liquidity still now, above, below.
Mhm.
So liquidity is being built below, liquidity is being built above. And we're waiting for it to take liquidity. See how it goes.
Come back and retest on that.
Well, weekend rules, JR. We don't know what the hell they're going to do. So right now, what we
Yeah.
do know is transition's underway. We've made a higher high, we made a higher low, or a high here, a higher low, a higher high,
Yep.
a low. We want to hold that higher low. We don't want to drop below here. So right now, we'll just wait and see. You can take a scout entry now, but I don't think I'm allowed to tell you what to do. Just a reminder, it's not financial advice.
Mm-hmm.
But we want to take this trade, and like I said, TP1 would be here if we got in there and it worked. And leave a runner. So weekend behavior is not real cool.
Mm-hmm.
So our guiding light is Bitcoin, and you can see it is compressing so hard. I haven't seen that on Bitcoin for a couple of years. It used to be traditionally the Saturday markets would just go sideways. So it is Saturday for me. Here, you can see some alts are moving more than Bitcoin, which is awesome. So we look to my bullshit meter, which is BNB. It's compressing as well. So it's compressing and going sideways. We're looking for a breakout and we're waiting. So we'll wait. We'll wait. Set some alerts. Set one there. Set one there. And we wait patiently. See how we go. So Ethereum, same thing, another guiding light. I like this better. I'm actually going to might take an entry on that. I'll just take a scout entry. I like that. I think that's ready to show us some business. Oh, I've already got an entry. I'm looking for an add-on. I'm not adding on until I get break structure to the upside. So we'll see how we go. What else have we got? We were looking at injective. Someone took a short before from supply. Lovely looking short. How far is it going to go? So that now is a higher high. It's making a higher low at this stage. Transition's complete. If you're not sure about the transition, come and join our Discord, jump in the live Zoom, upgrade to Scout, and we can teach you the system. That's all you got to do. And jump in the Zoom every day. The Zoom is a community Zoom, and it's open all the time, and I'm in it probably 16 hours a day. So you can come and trade with the community. It's not just that I sit here and bark out orders and give you market updates. People that do attend the market updates and don't come to the Zoom, you're actually missing the boat.
Yeah.
The entries that they organize, they're our exit liquidity. When they enter, we're taking profits. So we trade with the market makers, we trade the structure, trade with the algorithm, we wait for liquidity to be taken, and then we enter. It's pretty cool. So we're waiting for this pullback here on injective so I can get an add-on. Remember, it's not financial advice. I don't know how many times I've got to say that, but it's not financial advice. And
Yep.
let's have a look at Solana. Solana, same thing. Geez, all these big coins are just compressing, aren't they? A lot of liquidity to the upside. Look at all of that. Nice. It's juicy. Still want it to come back to demand first yet though. Link, what's Link doing today? Actually, because I'm not wasted time, because I couldn't trade this morning and I did that. What did I do? I did that exam. I've got to look at this. I need an add-on for that. Took this last night before I went to bed. Where's my entry? Let's have a look. Which account am I looking at? Yeah, I didn't get in the account that matters the most. The funded account. Oh, well, never mind. Let's see. What's in here? Okay, so entry at 44.32. Entry right there. So I can add, but I'm gonna wait. It's the weekend. I don't trust them. See what happens. Anyone got anything for the chat to for me to have a look at? We got Litecoin's just going to go without me, so I'm not going to get an ad there. I don't think. Let's have a look at the hourly. Yeah, no, I can't add yet. I want to see a high and a high low before I add to that. No add on. Oh, what happened with gold and silver? Oh, yeah, she's weekend's ready. Now we're waiting for Uncle Donald to send us a message and say what's going on, and that'll get a breakout. Look how compressed that is. We've seen compression on weekends, but that's insane. And that's what's that, silver? Yeah, okay. What's gold doing? Oof. Shit. Shit, son. All right, Cardano. Nice. Nice. Keep coming back. I want it to come back further. Gonna add on for that one as well. Entry here. 16.15. I missed that. Missed the bounce. I so missed that
Let's
bounce.
check
Like,
on
it's the same time, 11:45, just after USA opened last night. Off shit went. So it's made a higher high now. Oh no, it hasn't. It's made a higher high than here. Higher low, higher
let's check
high.
on
Check on what?
let's check on Michelle's chili.
Oh yeah. I didn't get in that. I should have taken that scout earlier. What happened? No, she dumping. She dumping. Hope you didn't take that, Michelle.
Nah, she said she added another $10.
Okay, well it's gotta come down here first. So let it come down here
Yeah.
and that's what we spoke about in Zoom this morning, wasn't it? That's right. I
Uh,
remember it.
I think she's be getting a little confused, but it's okay. Still learning.
That's what we all do, learn together. All right, so virtuals come back. It's about to get this vector. I'd like to see it pop through demand, clean out that vector. And we can might add to that if I've still got a position. I don't even know what positions I've got. Okay, I've got a virtual. What entry is 6102. Where's that? 6102. There we go. About here, yeah. So stop loss as an entry. I added to that last night. I added a little bit too much. Yeah, I might move my stop loss a little bit down because that vector. No, that vector, my stop loss is sitting on in that wick. 60, what? 6102. There. Now it could just dump straight through. Here he is. My offside up. Mr. Allen. Welcome to the live.
Welcome to YouTube.
Hello.
How you going, man?
Good. How's it going tonight?
Yeah, man. We're just waiting for a little bit of a pullback going on at the minute. Bitcoin's squeezing up, sandwiched in. Look at that. That's 15-minute, man. We haven't seen that for ages.
Yeah.
No, seen that for ages. So hopefully it's just not getting back to that stage where Bitcoin just goes sideways on Saturday and Sunday. We want weekend pumps, not weekend.
So what you got, Mr. Allen? You got any shorts going on?
I just walked in from work. I have no idea what's going on. I could be wrecked. I got to look at my stuff.
Okay.
Everything's
we
been
don't do
running
that.
since yesterday.
We risk management.
JR's called out XRP. I kind of like it, but it's just not ready yet. Virtual's come back to my entry. I want to see it hold this, but I still want to see it wick through. So been in that trade for days now. So I just want to make sure I'm not taken out.
Let's see. I'm still in a Bitcoin. I still have half a Bitcoin position up $315, and I took 800 and something dollars in profit yesterday.
And that's for Tradeify, right?
Yeah, that's the Tradeify. We still want the massive dump. At least I do. But
Yeah, I'm still long, I think, Bitcoin. I took long from where you took profit.
so I was in Zoom with, let's see, who came in? It was Michelle, myself, Barbara showed up. We were in there with Barbara chatting it up,
You mean Deb?
showing them doing a little bit of basic, super basic chart setup and
You mean Deb?
little structure setup. Talked about why we don't use certain indicators and talked about clean charts. It was really good stuff.
It's good.
Okay.
And then I showed her,
You
because she
must
has
have.
a Blowfin account. I said, look at, you go in Blowfin, they have, if you go right here under the futures trading, there's a demo trading section, because she said she hasn't traded since Sniper Club. And I'm like, well, you can get in there and start playing around for free and not spend any of your money and just, just start taking trades and see how you do with paper trading.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And and I said, you don't even have, she said she has a prop account. And I'm like, well, just start getting used to doing the motions. And then when we're in live Zooms together and you have some training and we can start taking some trades together with the group, and then we'll get your challenge passed. And she kind of perked up and it was good. It's good. So did you come in after that? Were they in there? Because I left Michelle
Yeah,
and Barbara there, and
I did.
Boosie was in and out. Yeah. So you came in after I
Yeah,
had my session. You came in.
Yeah.
I came in right behind your session. Steve came in a little
Yeah.
later.
It's
Yeah.
Deborah, not
Well, that's good. I warmed everybody up.
Yeah,
No, but
wish I had caught yours, but I was busy.
they were
That's
on
okay.
fire. They were on fire when I came in, so that's good. But if I can get it in again, it's Deborah, not Barbara.
Oh, Deborah. Deborah.
Yeah, Deborah. Yeah, I don't know where she
All right.
from because she said it was late over there. She was going to bed when I was there probably like 20 minutes before she went to bed.
Uh-huh. So you
And
want to
then
know
like
what I'm
maybe
in? I'm in a river short that's just TP'd
okay.
twice. Yeah. Uh, still short. It's still making higher lows and or lower highs and higher lows.
Okay. Yeah, I see it right there on the screen. Steve showing it.
So my
Um,
entry
Check
on
it out, YouTube.
River, my entry on River was 3.51.
Oh,
Nice.
okay.
You took that in the Zoom last night, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah.
G'day, Shu. Shu's here in the chat.
Oh,
She's our #1 YouTube fan, I think. She's always in our live. And it sees Shu in Zoom more often, eh? Hey, Shu. You got some lessons to run through, some modules. I'm curious about this Filecoin that our mate was talking about this morning. So it's dropped. See what we're talking about.
yeah.
It's a pain to get. It'll
It
always.
says 1 1. Here, I'll be the second.
That's probably the entry there. You just can't trust it. Doesn't trade the structure. I was just explaining to him that I'd moved it into my degen list. Because it doesn't really behave to structure. So we've got our structure, our list broken into three sections. Gold section, all these are coins that base structure. Silver, kind of a base
Digest.
and degen don't base structure. And Filecoin's one of them. That's probably the entry. I'm actually going to take a scout there. We'll see how that works.
All right.
It's risky as hell, but
I'm in the Zoom.
Okay.
I mean, I'm in the YouTube watching the chat.
Yes, you are.
yeah, shoes in there.
Okay.
Dinner time. I don't know, mate.
Says we
So,
have 49 subscribers.
yeah, man. Well, hopefully with these lives we
Oh,
can get some
really?
subscribers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. There you go. I hadn't said it, but now we have. I've done it. Already poked the bear with the website and the Discord. So I just forgot to say like and subscribe, like I normally do.
Yep.
Um,
We got it, Steve.
so I'm going to take Scout on that and see what happens. It's just in that BitFunded.
Okay.
See what happens. Because like I was saying in the Zoom this morning,
Yeah.
weekend rules, you'll see these coins generally break structure to the downside and then form demand straight away. And that's normally the
I'll come
entry.
back up.
Not normally the entry, I shouldn't say that. That provides somewhere for it to bounce from. So you're in a so long, nice one. 76. Where'd you get 76? We'll have a look at yours, then we'll have a look at mine. I'm in so long, down from 76. Oh, you entered at 76. Holy shit, Shu. Get out of it. That's is your middle name drawdown. No, we don't have stop losses that big, Shu. You need to come back into Zoom so we can talk about your stop losses and your entries. Ladder. Oh, you're laddering down your DCA. Okay, cool. Gotcha. Sorry. Yeah, we're just waiting very, very patiently right now. Look a bit, Ethereum starting to make that move. And we said before, I liked Ethereum where it was sitting. So let's have a look for the bullshit meter. The bullshit meter's BNB. It's not doing nothing. So, well, I think there's been a bit of negative news around BNB. I know they had a lot of good news, and then all of a sudden I have to look into that. I'm not going to chap off about it because I don't want to upset anyone. Haters going to hate. You're going to hate me. Hate in the section below. Or hate me in the comments. That's cool. You won't get kicked. It's YouTube.
Check out link. Why are you talking about hate?
Yeah, I'm making higher highs. It's good. Still in this range, JR. Nothing's happening. I'm not willing to
Yeah.
add. I think I got an entry again last
No,
night.
it's the week. It's the weekend. It's just going sideways, but it's going to make a lower high.
You're a lower high.
Yeah.
Cardano was
Because I got high.
Cardano is off on a mission. I want my ad. I'm gonna wait for that break structure. What else we got? That's a big stop loss shoe. I'm not happy with that. That used to be how I used to trade like that. But once I went on a liquidity journey and learned to protect my capital, everything changed. Yeah, everything changed. Drawdown was my middle name, dude. I would have held that. I would have entered there and held down to 66 in the old days.
Give him back.
There's 3
Feed him the
watching
money.
now. I just posted on X. Come join our live YouTube.
Cool.
That's good.
Anyway, so this eighth,
I do it.
I'm waiting for an add-on, but if you don't have an entry, not financial advice, you know what to do. It's an area. It's an area, but we're not breaking out. Small sizing recommended. Weekend, we could go sideways for another 2 days, yeah. So don't get carried away. Just have a look at it. It'll come back to
That's
here.
the market wins.
It'll come back to here, but not sure when. Anyway, I'm still long, and I want to add on. Did you see the silver trade, Alan? Look at this. We got this last night, and now it's just stopped. But look at how compressed that is. I know it's normal for weekend, but not like that. What do we got? Gold. It's it's still compressing, but it's not as tight as
tight.
it's not as tight. I just want to see this thing move. Break. It's got to break out of this. Till then, we've got nothing. Absolutely nothing until that happens.
Let's break
It's
out
gonna
the
come and
oil.
get those vector candles below. That's what it's gonna do.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
I'm not sure yet. Anything could happen. Uncle Donald will tell us soon enough, I'm sure. Tipping that's why everything's ranging so tight. There's a
We
nice
can't
chance.
talk about Uncle Donald.
Yeah, okay. Freedom of speech, mate.
Politics, though.
Yeah, well, who said what Donald I was talking about, eh? Stop making things up. Righto, so AVAX, I'm still looking for an add-on. So it's not an entry. No, can't get an entry yet. BCH, I didn't take. I wouldn't be taking that just yet. Scouts only for weekends, obviously. BNB still trending, ranging, not interested. I never trade anyway, but that looks like a good short. Ethereum, here we go. Come on, push up. Injective, it's broken structure to the upside, come back inside the range, got some liquidity. We want to say push up, make a higher high, then we can get an ad when it makes a higher low. Link, ranging sideways. If you want to see a breakout first, wanting an add-on. Litecoin is my best trade I've got running at the moment, so I really want to see it pull back a bit, give me a higher low, and take an entry somewhere down around here maybe. Might only get it here. We'll see. Daily opens here. Yeah, nice, Stu. Have a good one, mate. OP ranging in transition phase at the minute. Solana, nice. All right, Stu. Hopefully you'll get your bounce if you're still here. Probably not. You might get a bounce here. Let's have a look. We'll wait and watch this nice and patiently. You know what I need to do? I need to Alan, I passed my AI exam today.
Oh, congratulations.
Finally passed it. So I got 100%. Not bad for someone that doesn't do exams.
Well, that's what happens when you use, Claude or ChatGPT to answer all the questions.
No, you can't do it, dude. It was it was an AI exam with AI running the exam. So you had to have your camera on. You couldn't take your mouse off the screen. You couldn't have other screens on. You had to be, your camera was on. You're not allowed to read out the questions, so you can't talk. If anybody else comes into the room, you get disqualified or whatever, like canned. Yeah, like you can't have another window open, can't have another browser open, you can't have another screen attached. It makes you cut everything out. And yeah, well, so I got pretty yeah, I got pretty rattled at the start because I can't do exams. So anyway, got through it, passed 100%, multi-choice questions. So I was pretty happy with that. Solana. Let's see this. I got bearish pressure. One of the indicators you get for joining the Discord group as a scout. And there's obviously some more areas in here that I haven't met yet. I haven't interacted in the chat. So let's go through while we wait for this candle. Oh no, not yet. I've only got a minute till candle close. So we'll have a chat about the Discord and the live Zooms in a minute. Let's just wait for this candle to close, see what happens. I want to see that candle body cleaned out in demand. So I need to wait that wick to come back a bit further.
Cookies are done.
I want to see it. Oh, it's got it. I don't know. It's already got that candle body. Nice. All right. We're going to see this candle close inside the range, not inside demand or below. If we're going to take a long, I don't know if I'm allowed to take a. I'm allowed to do what I want with my accounts, I think. I think YouTube has any bothering me about me taking a long. There's my stop loss. We'll see that wick down. We tap this demand. Got our calculator. Calculator is the one that we use. Or is it one of the indicators you get? CNFG's website. We teach you risk management. How to use it all. Simple simples. And gives me my position size. So now I'll just look for an account that I haven't got Solana in. I'm going to get it out. I might get it out on here. This could be good. Not yet, but a wick. I want to see a wick. I've got Solana in every account already, I think. Oh, not in my funded. Oh, yes, I've got it in my funded account. I'll add to that. Solana, yeah, Solana in there. Every account that I'm running now already has Solana, so it'll be an ad. Nice. I like that. Candle closing. I haven't got my wick yet, so let's have a quick look at. Let's have a quick look at our website. For those of you that are hanging around, having a look. So this is our website, the control room. If you want to join, these are the two options you got. Free access, got 7 days of free Zoom access. to see what it is we do. So if you want to join, you just quickly start trading with structure, click that, and that'll prompt you to become a paid supporting member. This is what you get here: one-on-one Zoom guidance, live sessions all day, every day. It's when you want, not when the schedule says. We've got 9 structured modules that you can go through to learn the strategy. I'll go through your one-on-one in Zoom with those. And the custom indicators that go with the strategy. Prop challenge, support, and accountability, no worries. But if you join now, you lock in this founding scout price. So anyone that joins in the next 2 weeks gets to keep that price for life. So I recommend getting in while you can, because the price is only going to go up. That's our special founding scout price membership. Take advantage of it while you can. We've got the links that you can also use to support us if you like. We've got Blowfin, BTCC, Tradeify, Prop Account, and BitFunded Prop Account. We do like to trade prop firms. And socials, we've got all the socials here, is all on the website: YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Our media manager looks after all those. There's the QR codes if you want to have a scan. Don't forget to like and subscribe while you're here too, guys, please. That would be handy. I'd appreciate that. Righto. Solana hasn't given me my wick yet. So now we've got to wait for the next candle close. I don't know about the probabilities of this one, but I'm already long, like I said. But anyway, what I was going to say about the AI. Now that I've passed that AI exam, I need to make some music so we can play some music in here. Excuse me. Play some music in here, and I won't have to ramble because I ramble. But yeah, if you're in the live and you want to trade with us, join the Discord, jump in the live Zoom sessions, because this isn't something where we plan on doing maybe once or twice a week, but this is not how we trade most of the time. We trade with the community. And you saw that you can come and trade with us from the website. You got the free access and you got the paid upgrade. Different levels get you different things, but we like to trade together. And as you can see, there's 3 of us in here. At the moment, we've got JR and Alan and myself. We're all in the Zoom at the moment, but I'm just streaming live now. Yeah, we want to do a bit of a member drive. Yeah, we do want to increase our following on socials. So that's what these lives on YouTube are for. Do a market update every now and then for YouTube as well. I mainly do them weekends, but I like the weekdays ones better. I think they're more informative. The weekend is sort of hit and miss because of weekend trading. Weekend trading's different and difficult. So most people don't trade weekends, but we do. All right, I got my wick. Now I need candle close. I want to get an ad. I can get rid of that. Just waiting. It's Big Daddy old Bitcoin doing. Throwing green wicks. What's the bullshit meter doing? Bullshit meter's holding. I want to see that. Reclaim those MAs soon. I've got neutral pressure. I'm happy with that. Ethereum, big dog. There we go. It's pushing, like I said. Still think it should come back. We've got plenty of bull pressure going on in there. That's awesome. Look, where's my 8th position? I might add. Ethereum. Let's have a look. Oh, I don't want to add to that. It's too good of entry. I want to add to that. Yeah. Now I've got an entry there. I've already added to that. Wow. Oh, that had taken profit. So my entry is 1785. Wow. Thank you. 1785. Yep. I probably should add to that now, but what I want is I want to see a 1 hour demand between me and yep, bingo. We're getting an add on. I missed that this morning, obviously. 1785. I can't add much. No point doing it really. Wait for another one. Get another hour demand above price, and then I'll add. I can add a little bit, but not much. Not much that's going to change it. So I'd rather protect my entry. It's a good entry, so let's stick with it. See. What is that 1 hour telling us? 1 hour's not telling us much. I can't believe it kicked up here from last night, eh? I thought USA would have dumped it for sure. We'll probably just gather, build liquidity all weekend, create a demand here, 4 hour demand there, come back down, wick through, get that vector, pop up again. Maybe, maybe not. No, we'll let the structure tell us. So that's the high time frame. Don't really, I don't really want to add to that. We'll leave it. What else? Litecoin hanging for an add-on for this. Oh, I made a horrible mistake last night, Alan, and I added. I went to get a 5K margin position in BitFunded on Bitcoin, or added to it, but I added to Litecoin, so it was the $30,000 Litecoin position. If I had left it running, it would have passed. If I had left it running, it would have passed the challenge. But I closed 75% straight away, which left me with a pretty damn good sized trade, I must say, and it's still running. So I can't complain too much. Where is it? Oh no, I closed. Oh yeah, no, I must have closed it. No, I didn't close it. Where the hell is my Litecoin position? I looked at it this morning. Has it just been stopped down already today? What am I doing? I'm not even in control of my own trades. What's going on? Oh, there we go. I'm gonna get stopped out. I got stopped out 3 hours ago. Oh, I hit TP1. I took a nice profit in there. Look at that. That's groovy. All right, that dumbass Filecoin's about to stop me out. Like I said to EB earlier. I hate trading that thing. 4 hour. Come on. 1 hour. 15 minutes. She's still sandwiched. This is poor performance by Bitcoin for our live session, I think. Not real happy. Not real happy. Objective hasn't got that. There you go. Filecoin just stopped me out. Oh, what's hype doing? Where's my hype trades? Oh no, that stopped me out. Missed the boat on that. All right, we're gonna get an entry here. Ooh, looking good. Gonna dump. Bounce. Lower high. Downtrend. No vectors. Does dump. It's coming down here. What are we doing? What are we waiting for? We're waiting for that candle body to be cleaned out and close back up above demand.
When you get a moment, take a look at Jasmine for a short.
I don't even think it's in my list. No, it's not even BitFunded.
It's in BitFunded. That's where I took it.
I deleted it ages ago. Can't short that, brother. Look at the bull pressure. Put the one out. Just broke structure. 4 hour. Just broke structure. We'll wait for it to come back inside the range. It might not hold. If it comes back inside the range, I can short it. But yeah, that looks pretty bullish at the minute.
So how many people watching on YouTube?
What?
Mr. Allen, I guess.
I don't know. I didn't hear what you said, mate.
Don't get me started.
Say what now? Ladies and gentlemen, here you go. Thank you for watching us.
That's what we got. No, I got stopped out of this last night. So what happened there? Oh, of course. Went as soon as I got stopped out. Yeah. That stopped me out there. One more liquidity grab done. Entered here. Took TP1 and then put stop loss to entry. So it's come back and done another liquidity grab. That's a nice little buy up off demand there. Have a look at that. See what the next candle does. Weekend trade. 584. $300. Wait for candle close. Let's see what happens. I like that. It hasn't had a run for a while, actually. It's done the transition's complete. Sitting in there. It needs to break out of that range. It's a good scout option there, actually. Right, now you can short Jasmine. I'm not taking that entry until I see something. Yeah, move has to move off. Yeah, we need some music. I need to make some AI music. We're not allowed to play any other music. I'll get some music. There we go. Come on, get that back to first. Come on. What's Uncle Donald's going on? Looks like it's ripping. Yep. Look at that. Market open. Q. See ya. Off she goes. Weekend pump for Uncle Donald. JTO. Wee. Wee. It's not my weekend trade. That's not my weekend trade. We'll leave that alone. Sui, breaking structure. The downside looks like it wants to dump. Tail, I've taken that scout long. We'll see. See what happens. Yeah, we need some music. It's too quiet without music. Anyway, tails off. We need a pump from some of these leading alts, like BNB's got a pop. Ethereum is wanting to, but Bitcoin's just not playing the game. What's the I haven't looked at BTC today. Yeah, that's what we want. We want to see that pump. We want an alt pump. Weekend alt pump on live trading. That would be cool. USDT should be dropping. No, she's just trending. Ranging, sorry. Bitcoin dominance should be dropping. That's the one. Come on, Danny, come. I want to see this dump today. Total 3. Holding in there, just. Bitcoin's on the move. Nice. Let's go. Give us an alt pump. All right, let's go back. Sort of on a knife's edge here. We've got 2 hours till the next 4-hour candle. So we're patiently waiting for a sign. Waiting for a sign. Hello. BNB, yep. Not an entry, but on the move. Where's my BNBs? Let's have a look where my BNB positions are. Oh, that tail has moved off nicely. BNB, see my entry. So my entry on BNB is 555. What? That's not right. 559.22. 559.22. There. So that candle there, I can add to that now. I want to see that breaker structure up, so we'll have that one ready to go. Let's see what Solana's doing. And we got an add on Solana. Ooh, very nice. No displacement yet. You could take a scout entry there. It would look something like this. Wait for candle close. You want to see big bullish numbers and you want to see this push up before you even enter. I'm not adding until I see it. Displacement candle from there. Otherwise, it'll just fall down. And it's got all the way down to here to come if it does. You can see it doing the same as Bitcoin. Address XRP go JR, still hanging around demand. Nothing to report there. Virtual,
Yeah.
that. We want to see virtual wick through and get that. That could be a really good, look at the transition. Could be a really good trade. BNB is looking, it's looking okay. I like virtual on demand there though. Still want to see that vector climb. I want to see it wick through first, but it's a scout.
Well, SRP came back, got some liquidity. Still trying to push up.
Is it ready? Did it just, no, not yet.
It's not ready yet, but it's getting.
I want to see the lows swept. I want to see it come down here, sweep the lows.
Yeah, it's not quite there yet. But
Same with it. Not ready yet.
maybe another hour. it will be ready.
If that forms a demand there, still at vector. Yeah, it's all a bit tricky at the minute. It's either going to dump from where it all is, sitting on demand, or it's going to pump. It looks like it's ready to come fall over. And she's down here, so I'm not too worried about it. Link, compressed and under supply, lows need to be swept. Entries down here. Injective has come down and lost the MAs, so EB took a short on that from supply. Nailed that short there. I wasn't ready to jump in, leaving a vector inside supply. But that's the thing. You need to be picky with your entries. Take the ones you feel comfortable with, confident with. Everyone trades different. It's going to erupt today.
Yeah, it's the weekend. They like to play with us on the weekend. The market
Look at that.
doesn't.
It's got to show us intention first. No intention, not happening.
Well, it was nice to be on here tonight with you guys. I'm about to head off.
All right, mate.
Y'all enjoy the YouTube.
See you in Zoom tomorrow.
Yep, I'll be here.
All right, mate.
Y'all have a wonderful night.
Thanks for stopping in. That's later.
Take care, YouTube. Y'all come and join us.
Will do, mate.
I know you, but I'm talking about YouTube. Worldwide.
Thanks for joining us.
Come join us.
Have a good night.
All right.
Altcoin looks like it wants to roll over too. It's feeling looking very weak. BCH is holding demand, just. We might get some volatility popping in a sec, Mr. Allen. I haven't looked at our wave at all. Lows are swept with all that liquidity. Yeah, baby. Can't take it yet. I don't know what to look at first yet. Ethereum and BNB has sort of got me a bit excited. It's just no movement, no volume, weekend, normal stuff. I don't know if anyone's interested in
Sorry, I had a phone call.
yeah, no need to yell at me. Yeah, there's not much going on, mate.
Yeah, I see that.
It's hanging around demand, but it's looking relatively weak. It's neutral, so if it drops down and gets some liquidity, that would be cool. Some coins are stronger than others today. It's maybe we're going back to the old pop-offs. The old popcorn theory. You got BNB wanting to push up. I reckon that's going to erupt. I think it's not sweeping the lows here though. It's nothing's really giving me any confidence. And I suppose with that Bitcoin just sitting there. It needs to break out before we get anything. We get that, and I think we're going to have a nice move. I get a nice move out of that, but I'm just waiting for my add-ons. Really, I don't think I need to take any more positions. Solana, I like it. There's no need for it to come any further down. No vectors. It's on demand. If you're going to take an entry, that would be. There you go. We're starting to get displacement now. Just wait for candle close, another 2 minutes. See how we go. Got entries on Solana in every BitFunded account. So I need add-ons. My funded account. Funded account is the one I want to focus on today. So I want to close all the trades by Monday and cash out. So for the replay crew or anyone watching, if you want to join our Discord group and trade live with us in Zoom instead of YouTube, you're just a number. In Zoom, you're part of the community. Join our Discord group and go to our webpage for that. And I'll show you where to go. That's our website. You want to join the community, click enter the room. Gives you 2 options here. You've got on deck access or scout access. So your on deck access is your free account. You'll have 7 days free Zoom access to come and trade with us, see what we do. We trade pretty much all day, every day. And then if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade from there, and we'll teach you the system. We'll give you the indicators. We'll help you pass prop firm challenges. Help you trade your normal accounts. We do have partners with Blowfin, BTCC for normal exchanges, and then for funded accounts, we use Tradeify Crypto and BitFunded. So you're welcome to come and join. Use our links, trade with us, learn the system. It's all fun and games. But yeah, patience and discipline is the first thing you learn, pretty much. And patience right now. He's waiting for another 7 seconds until his candle closes before I make a decision on whether to add to my Solana trade or not. But like I said, you can take a position from here. Just wait though. It's not financial advice. Just remember, no financial advice. Not a financial advisor. Not pretending to be. I'm not a YouTube celebrity either. Not pretending to be. Yeah, I like that. I mean, it needs some confluence with Bitcoin though, but I think I'll add it to my Solana trade there now. So I'll double that. Yeah, stop loss to entry. My new average entry is at 74.73. Oh, look at that, right near where I should put the stop loss anyway. So that's my average entry. If I get stopped out, I've already taken profits. Just added to it now. I don't want to see a massive big weekend wick, put it that way. But hopefully that's off and running now. Nice and casual. No stress, no rush entry. We just wait nice and casually. We look to Bitcoin for our compass. We look to our bullshit meter, which is BNB. And BNB's regained their maze, so that's good. Might add to the might get an add-on to the BNB soon. Yeah. It's not really strong, is it? I kind of want to see it dribble down a bit. back to here. Test those MAs. Adam, I haven't even looked at. No. No. AVAX. I forgot about AVAX. Oh, no, it's all right. Objective. It's nearly got that vector. We'll get this. We'll get this out on, I reckon. I don't want to take it too early because of that vector there.
Yeah.
Solana's a bit different. So I took that add on. No vectors for it to come and get here at all. Nothing below. I still think there's a lot of liquidity sitting here still though, but no competition. Who's your competition? Retail on weekends. So I'd like to see it come up to here. Might drop, might dump someone else, eh? Yeah, it's still ranging. It's found demand, pushed up, found supply. It's come back to the middle of the range. So it's a decision point here, really. The high time frame, I'd like to see that busted today. Got a nice transition going on here. 4 hour doesn't look healthy, but it's done a liquidity grab. If it retests too quick, I think it'll fall through. So I don't want to see it come back to the demand. I want to see it push up and make its way up to supply, and then come back and retest maybe. That's if it's going to hold. If it's going to hold. What's on this other screen I've got going on here? Filecoin here, that's a shit of a thing. Might try another scout. Get a nice little liquidity drop to the downside. Still got 2 hours till the end of this next 4 hour candle. And I think we definitely need some music, Alan. Should we wrap it up there? Should we wrap it up there and go and make some music? And jump in Zoom.
Sounds good. I think we've streamed long enough.
Yep, no worries. All right. So thanks for watching, everybody who did join in throughout the event. Appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's our website again. Full access to our Discord group. Our live Zoom sessions, which we hold all day, every day. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks heaps. Appreciate it. And hope to see you in our group. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.
Thanks for watching.